Good. You know, here we are. All right, so I'm here at the Bolsa Chica Ecological Reserve. Good. Take a little gander. We're here to take pictures of birds and whatever else we find. But it's also like a day for me to test out some equipment. I got this Sony kit lens. It's a 55 to 210. Some people don't like the lens because it's like cheap and it's included in a lot of cameras that they sell, but I got a good deal on it, so I'm happy with it. It gives me that extra range that I need. Also, hopefully you notice that the audio is a little better. I got some microphones, you can see. So it's a test of that. It's very pretty. There's some birds down there that I kind of want to take a picture of right now. I also have my GoPro on my chest, so you guys get a POV of what I'm doing. It adds a little cool. It adds to the vlog. So yeah, hopefully we see some cool stuff, get some cool pictures. Okay, hopefully you guys can see what I see, but I've switched the setup up. I had sorry, there's some birds. I need sunglasses. I had the GoPro on here earlier, but then I swapped the GoPro as my B-roll camera, just so that way I can utilize the better sound quality, you know? Yeah, I don't know. There's a lot going on. It's not just like come here and take pictures and stuff. I'm trying to also make an entertaining video, and part of that is looking... Sir, do you mind? And part of that is looking absolutely crazy because you're like walking in circles and talking to yourself. Oh shit. Oh, that was cool. Hopefully you saw it. There's a bird right there. I keep saying there's a bird right there. Of course there's a bird right there. It's an ecological site. I have to keep track of time too. I need to be home by... Okay, it's 7 o'clock right now. I need to be home by 9. There's another guy here who's taking pictures. And he has a very professional looking camera. It's kind of intimidating. But whatever, we're here to have fun. Morning. It's like an egret or something. Over there. There's a guy. It's kind of embarrassing. Well, I don't know. It's only embarrassing because I'm not used to it. Sorry I'm not talking much. I'm trying to be in the moment, I guess. That's pretty cool. Hold on. There's very cool. Oh, focus on that one. I know they're not woodstocks, but they're like these little birds with with like long beaks that are poking at the mud. I think they're so cool.
What's wrong with those shoes?
They're the... I actually don't know. I just know they're like the Topo Wides.
I think that's what I'm going to go.
Yeah, definitely.
So, enjoy
Yeah.
the day.
You too. Thank you.
Find some good stuff.
Thank you. It's just too bright. Oh, I wanted to get... I don't know if I'm going to be able to see him. A little hero. Oh, there he goes. Oh. There he goes. Go, little guy. I think it's still recording, right? Yeah. I still have the mic. It recorded that whole audio with the guy about Topos. Topos, if you're watching, sponsor me. I love your brand. I haven't seen that one. I don't know what kind of bird that is. $24.50. Yeah, we're like mostly done shooting here. I had to head back home for some other stuff, but it was pretty cool. I enjoyed it. Yeah, it's a little fun video.